This is for James in regard to the weird sucking noise my engine makes when I turn it off. Really don't know how to describe it. It's only started doing it in like the last 2 or 3 days, so I'll just run it and I'll show you what I mean. So as you can see, it runs fine at all throttle settings. And listen to this. That's the weird noise I'm talking about. So if that helps you at all, or if anybody can tell me what that noise is, I think it's sucking air in or gas in or something, and when it shouldn't be. So I'm wondering if maybe a gasket's bad. I have no idea. I've never done work on this motor before, except for the carb. I think James did most of that. But, you know, if anybody can help, much appreciated.